Assalamu alaikum 3 class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Miss Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about very interesting topic, what is force. Forces are pushes or pulls. A force is an interaction that causes an object to pushed or pulled in a certain direction. In easy wording, we can say that when we push or pull an object, as a result, the object moves from its original position to another position as a result of pushing or pulling. This is called a force. So, we can say that pushes or pulls are forces. Next, we are going to talk about uses of forces in our daily lives. Students, when we try to write something on a page, we have to apply force on the nib of a pen to write something on a book or notebook. We apply force to stop and move a trolley when shopping in a supermarket. To avoid hitting someone or to stop or slow down the moving objects, we apply a force on a moving car or bicycle. This force is called as frictional force. So, due to this force, the moving objects stop. Next, we are going to talk about characteristics of forces. Sometimes feel the effects they have on things. The balloons are affected by forces. Students, we cannot see easily force, but we can feel the effect of force. Force can make things speed up. In a playing ground, when we hit a cricket ball hardly, the ball speeds up due to the action of force. Force can make things slow down or stop. As in the previous pic, we say that a stopping force, which is called a frictional force, which stops or slow down the moving objects. A parachute can make an object slow down because of air resistance. Next, we are going to talk about uses of force in our daily life. Students, the use of force in our daily life is very common. When we walk on the road, we use force. When we lift different kinds of objects, we use force. To throw a cricket ball, we also use force. To move a given body by some particular speed or direction, we have used some kind of force. These are different kinds of forces which we use in our daily life. Last, students, this question is your assignment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.